Reconciliation is a critical accounting process used to ensure that a company's financial records are accurate, consistent, and complete. It involves comparing two different sets of records to confirm that the figures match. What is reconciliation? At its core, reconciliation is the practice of verifying the integrity of account balances. 1. It compares internal records, like a general ledger, against external sources or subrecords. 2. In a general ledger, GL, every transaction is recorded twice, as a debit and a credit. Reconciliation ensures these entries are placed in the correct accounts. Common types of reconciliation. 1. Bank cash reconciliation, comparing the company's cash records against bank statements. 2. Credit card reconciliation, similar to bank reconciliation, but focused on credit card statements. 3. Balance sheet reconciliation, verifying assets, liabilities, and equity accounts. 4. Assets liability specifics. This includes checking cash, receivables, inventory, property, accounts payable and borrowings. General ledger, GL, versus subsidiary ledger, SL. Understanding the relationship between different types of ledgers is vital for the process. 1. General ledger, GL, the master set of accounts containing all debit and credit entries needed for double-entry bookkeeping. 2. Subsidiary ledger, SL, an intermediary set of accounts, like a specific list of accounts receivable or payable that links back to the GL. 3. The flow. When data is entered into a subsidiary ledger system, like SAP, often automatically posted to the GL. Reconciliation accounts ensure that these balances align perfectly. The reconciliation process flow. Tools of the trade. Accountants often use Microsoft Excel spreadsheets or specialized digital tools to map the process flow and automate the comparison between the general ledger and external documentation.